Crystal Server Engine Platform Presentation. First, we will introduce the general principles of server platform development. A platform is a fundament on which a server solution is built for a particular project. The first principle, virtualization, which has become a buzzword, means providing quantity of abstract computing power. Software services are the processes themselves, the ones that actually run the server. A platform must dynamically allocate computing power on an end-to-end basis for the project. A platform must ensure stability under any load from the clients. A platform must provide a development environment in which the project is developed. So, what are the benefits of a server solution based on Crystal Server Engine? First, thanks to the usage of visual editors, administration tools, and the usage of the familiar Microsoft Visual Studio, the platform is very intuitive and easy to use. It takes from 2 to 3 days for a common developer to become proficient with the product. Instant startup and shutdown of services is very important in the real world. The client must have as less downtime as possible while the service is restarting. So in CrystalEngine, we took this concept a one step further. There is no need to restart the server in order to change business logic modules, aka hot swap. The process of module update is seamless to the clients since it requires no downtime on the server. Our platform supports various kinds of clients, developed on different platforms and programming languages, including various mobile platforms. A project can simultaneously serve multi-platform clients. The compatibility is implemented on a protocol layer. CrystalEngine provides solutions for various organization types. Startups with limited funding and pilot projects may use virtual server platform, cost equivalent to a dedicated server with CrystalEngine available. Large organizations may deploy CrystalEngine on their existing corporate servers. This makes our product suitable for maximum amount of potential clients. The platform includes only visual development tools. Code writing is left only for the business logic development. In order to make the development as easy as possible, this is done via the common Microsoft Visual Studio editor. A visual tool is used for performance monitoring and change tracking. It is possible to view the object cache status and statistic. This allows a complete outlook of the system from a single point of view. This in turn makes the troubleshooting process much more efficient. CrystalEngine is intuitive and very easy to use. Let's examine an application development in a detailed manner. The whole process can be divided into 3 major steps. First, designing the server solution using Project Builder Visual Editor. This creates a database and a connection to it. Creation of the objects themselves, creation and the initialization of SQL tables. Client commands description. Compilation and linking of the library to the Visual Studio with a single click. The second step is the business logic development, which is done in Visual Studio, and then compiling the DLL library. The third major step is loading the compiled library to the server and launching the server from the admin control panel tool, after which the writing of the client and connecting to the server is done. The final step is the fine-tuning of the whole project. Launch and shutdown of servers is instant and is done with a single button. Monitoring of the servers, module and command is done in the admin.cp utility, which represents the server tree. Changing the server configuration is also very easy. Just open an editor, change the desired parameters and restart the server. The same procedure is used without concern for geographic considerations. Our platform supports any kind of client, regardless of platform and programming language. This includes various mobile platforms. The same project can simultaneously serve clients running on multiple platforms. This compatibility is implemented on the level of protocol. All you need is to have the protocol library and the command structure for a particular platform. Both are automatically generated by the Project Builder tool. Thanks to its flexible, scalable, and modular design, our platform is suitable for projects of various complexities, ranging from single web applications to large MMORPG games with distributed logic and open worlds. We can provide services for small companies that already include server infrastructure, which are in the same price range of a regular virtual server. We can provide services for large organizations, which include a proprietary network or a local network. This means that the whole server-side solution will be deployed on the servers provided by the client. This topology is more suitable for enterprises that do not like using third-party servers. Big money equals more security constraints. CrystalEngine offers its clients powerful visual development and administration tools. All the editors are combined into the Project Builder application. This makes the development process very comfortable since all the tools you need are in one place. In order to increase the development speed, there is a built-in wizard which generates almost all of the standard options. In most cases, the developer only needs to enter the name of the object. This makes the object design fast and intuitive. An example of object design can be seen in a video application in 20 minutes. The second half of the tool suite is the monitoring and administration tools. The server and applications are arranged into a tree structure and are green-lit if active or gray if not. CPU load, memory consumption, and other metrics can be viewed in a graphical form for any server. Object monitors shows the runtime values for various object fields, regardless of where the object is actually stored, be it memory, SQL database, or file store. The backup editor allows a rollback to a previous version of business logic or object structure with a single click of a button. The product provides the ability to design and administer any part of the server-side solution. What kind of applications can be built using CrystalEngine? This includes massive online projects, up to massive games including open worlds. Social applications including real-time voice, video and chat communication. Mobile applications for various client platforms. Augmented reality applications. Various educational applications, consulting solution and interactive real-time boards. Various corporate applications. For especially large projects, a proprietary platform is available. I would like to focus on the modular structure of CrystalEngine. The whole system is built using independent modules. The product can be represented as a box for storing game cubes. We provide you with a box and simple machine for creating various game cubes. The box represents all of the routine project tasks. The developer is then focused on the creative tasks of developing business logic modules, aka game cubes, which are then placed inside the box and started. The box holds the cubes together and prevents them from falling apart. CrystalEngine uses a single module structure, thus allowing the use of a module in different projects. For example, a developer creates a module for chat or physics in a game. This module can be used in other projects. This allows the formation of a market for modules and solution, an app store equivalent for developers. Standard modules will be available for any project. Special offers will be available for startup customers. On the technical side, we provide the ability to create modules in the familiar Microsoft Visual Studio integrated development environment. Client-side modules debugging is also possible. What are the advantages of using CrystalEngine for a project? The development speed is greatly increased. This is possible due to several key factors such as visual editing environment and the usage of familiar integrated development environment. Since CrystalEngine provides most of the infrastructure, the labor costs and demands are significantly reduced. You no longer require a guru in transport protocols, multi-threading, and connection pooling. We provide a customer with tuned and tested solution, thus increasing the overall project stability. Our platform is suitable for fast implementation of pilot projects and testing. The server side can be easily augmented and scaled by adding additional hosts to the system. Already included powerful administration tools allow rapid change in the project and its monitoring. So, what is under the hood of CrystalEngine technology? I will discuss several technical principles which the system is built on. Dual project structure is used. Administrative part has a pyramid structure. Runtime part has a peer structure. Both parts are independent and exist simultaneously, thus the runtime part remains operational while at least one peer is active, even when all the administrative servers are down. Parallel processing is used by default using connection pooling. Internal and external transport layers are separated and coexist simultaneously. Even if an external channel is down, the internal server communications will not be affected. NoSQL-based distributed object cache. Dynamic business logic module structure, which allows capability of hot swapping for business logic modules. SQLDB is used only as permanent data storage. The source code is dynamically generated after any changes are done in the visual editors. Internal system for reserve copy and backup with rollback capabilities. All of the CrystalEngine's base is built on low-level kernel elements of the operating system, thus providing extreme speed and reliability. On the other hand, using the managed code technology of .NET increases the stability and eliminates memory allocation issues. In the process of development, extended testing has been done and hundreds of demo projects were created in order to build the fastest and most optimal software solutions. You can watch a demonstration video called Application Creation with CrystalEngine in 20 minutes. The video demonstrates the creation of client-server application with a single login command. Usage of the Project Builder visual editor for object design, command and SQL requests. Usage of the admin CP panel for creating and launching of a server and business logic module connection. One click is also demonstrated. A single click generates the source code, compiles a library and refreshes it in the Visual Studio integrated development environment. Provided for the technical design, the creation and launch of a business logic module on the server can be done within several minutes.